Okay, FM 101.7.
Yango lawyer Godwin edigi Tamakloe na ye ne nkodi enkomo. Law me moache.
Onunyan for ticket anopa mi joso.
Na boko de.
Obo ade ada Roma brapeni.
We de maba wo nchen a enne ye ni ankasa ya de nyina amansan ade yewura osɛ kwa me despite ne birthday ne wanya aduosia na kese de aka no nimu do so papa asɛmbai na wo ka kyerɛ bra
50
60 ai
hey brapeni enyin sa
ai ba wo sɛ ne wo fɛ
kaba Yakopon enka ye ho
but mama signing this word of caution mo odi ni birthday amudi twa loto mu nyai
Brakwame when we say incidentally ya samo when we say February ye mo anso na me so be the 40 you
hey
internet you can imagine
wow
40 where there 40 60 you
a 40 60 now 22 nu so wa now I sing 222 40 60
and the way they permutation you be permit number na Brakwame me use we fidie so and celebrate onumyan for Kwame despite na yanko so embo empire ema otwedi ampon nyankopon se onko so oma no enkwatenti na ohwe enkrofo a papa yi etimi I employ why engage businesses are creative lives are what touch yet sa nyamisha no yet they taught another 20 years at the akasisi no ho diamano
amen
but what you say
beti ase pa
say obeya doye na we so nyamisha no ya bobo ni na so yet ni na ya combine ni na for another 20 years at the akasisi no it is 80 prekope. You do it and so you better call for another new lease. A lease agreement. You call for renewal. Renewal of the lease for another 20 years. You do so near call for further renewal. Near Koye Nimsa. Yankopana, Yabebon Paye, say, Uncle Sonomano, and one day, and continue. Good health. Now, Uncle so. And creating more businesses. Now employ more people. Say, you have despite me employees almost saying not go for Anna. Like I mean, the employees cry a brody a bank exactly. As a Daniel the he's a man that should be celebrated. You know, our part of the world, we don't celebrate people too much. Let's find a way of celebrating. And right now, wouldn't we say, but for the influence of private business people, this country would have collapsed. So,
Kadiana collapse.
The country.
Because yes.
I'm going to be here. So, private people are omutimi nyankopon omo da nyankopon emo naye dreams to build companies I bet employ other people, companies I bet you have taxes to the government through the taxes now buying other things. Sankro for no, we need to celebrate them for the good things are Omayama humanity. So in the case of Mr. Kwame Despite, I say Yempe monument be baby, so we can name after him for the contribution to national development. Yamishan will be Obia, Rakwame.
Na ma memre Assin Assin North wura James Jechikwesi yes obi asa ko file another suit be by one Michael Ankoma Nimfa was the Supreme Court and restricting say holding himself say we MP asam say the city
Yo, Rakwame, that's the power, Yamisha, for the opportunity once again. Okaya, 28th of July 2021, in a high court in Cape Coast. Emma, a judgment in an election petitioner, one Michael Edeba against or no, the MP for Assin. Now, Emma, or the case no by a judgment no by the lawyers for Honorable Question filed their friend notice of appeal at the registry of the High Court, Cape Coast. Now, almost filed their friend stay of execution because some of the orders of the court are executable. That is to say, when this one, you can be in contempt of court. So the only legal redress available to you is to apply to stay the execution of that order. Now, Emra or file the stay of execution. Court no fix a date for the hearing of the said stay of execution. And also na omaya na ebedu and Pempenswa, the lawyer led by Yaya Senior Chachikata, echo the Court of Appeal in Cape Coast. And at the Court of Appeal in Cape Coast, issues been more by, and one of the issues Yaya Senior Chachikata had to do with some constitutional provisions, Article 94 2A and the rest. No, argue, say, High Court no any jurisdiction to interpret those provisions. It's exclusive for the Supreme Court. In Tinankebe, Court of Appeal and refer those constitutional provisions, Emma, the Apex Court, IA Supreme Court. The Court of Appeal and an IRG into a file the Ober Freno Seshurara Supreme Court to quash the refusal of the Court of Appeal to refer the constitutional interpretation matters to them. Because one would say Article 132 of the 1992 Constitution can say in the course of any proceedings, if an issue of interpretation comes, Constitution is a stay proceedings and refer. Na Miami Senior Chikata, they are not all kinds of and they say to the extent the Court of Appeal had refused, they have acted in excess of jurisdiction into the Echo Supreme Court for Tisserara. So whilst waiting for the Supreme Court to hear the Tisserara application, in a Miami Senior Frank Davis, they issue a writ at the Supreme Court, now asking for interpretation of what the Court of Appeal refused to refer to the Supreme Court. But what I say? Because Senna, Mr. Chikata, the another all can show Court of Appeal train refer these constitutional provisions to the Supreme Court for interpretation. Now, court may say that be, say so. All can see the be there. They call an order to quash or refuse her. Now, the ISN, Frank Davis, now I could file a writ on behalf of the same petitioner was Senior Freno, now asking for interpretation of the same constitutional provisions our Court of Appeal refuses to refer. And now, or the FNO injunction application at the account. Apparently, they tried serving the injunction application on the speaker. According to them, they had tried twice, but without success. In general, court, no, the issue came up. Now, Supreme Court can't so. So, one can say, what the address be at the actual the process, also as the address of Mr. Quayson, Honorable. So, in the circumstance, why not try personal service of the process on him? And if you are not successful, then you can come to the Supreme Court, whether for an order to serve the respondent defendant by way of substitution. In the injunction application, the Supreme Court ultimately in the proceeding in Senate. In the Ecobaye in relation to this Assin of matter and no black women. To speak technically, the injunction application is yet to be heard.
Oh, okay. It is the Ogusua MP.
Because there is already a stay of execution pending.
Oh, okay.
At the Court of Appeal in Cape Coast.
Oh, okay. And yes, when you buy and son, I question my Mary Becado to the NBA Yawasu. 4 years yet now.
Oh, that be. Oh, say, dear, per se Court of Appeal and decide the legal rights. That's safer for us.
Okay, FM 101.7.